Landingi Website Builder Honest Review. Kindly watch this before buying it. To check out the platform and access their best available offer, I've dropped my recommended affiliate link for Landingi right in the description below. Are you sick of spending hours building a beautiful website only to see zero conversions? Look, standard website builders are great for portfolios, but when you're running paid ads or high-stakes marketing campaigns, you don't need a website, you need a conversion machine. The secret weapon of top digital agencies is using dedicated landing page software. In this honest review, I'm breaking down Landingi, a powerful platform specifically designed for marketers and agencies. We're diving into the drag-and-drop editor, their killer A/B testing tools, and whether their pricing actually makes sense for your business in 2026. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if Landingi is the key to finally boosting your conversion rate. 2. Core focus. Conversion first. What makes Landingi different from your basic WordPress or Wix site? It's the singular focus on conversion. Landingi isn't trying to be a massive CMS. It's a dedicated tool for building pages that get people to click, sign up, or buy. They have over 400 professionally designed templates, but here's the key. Every single one is optimized for a goal: lead generation, product sales, or webinar signups. The pages are lightning fast and automatically responsive, meaning they look perfect and load quickly, whether on a desktop or mobile device. Speed and optimization are built in, not just add-ons. Key feature: the drag-and-drop editor. The builder itself is fantastic. It's a true pixel-perfect drag-and-drop experience. Unlike builders that force you into rigid rows and columns, Landingi gives you the freedom to place any element exactly where you want it. This is crucial for controlling the visual hierarchy and guiding the user's eye down the page. They also have an incredible feature called dynamic content. You can personalize headlines and text based on the referral source. So if a user clicks from a Google ad for blue widgets, the landing page headline automatically changes to "The best blue widgets are here." That level of personalization is a major advantage for paid media managers. Marketing powerhouse tools. If you're doing any serious marketing, you need data. And that's where Landingi turns into a powerhouse. First, A/B testing. It's super simple to duplicate a page, change one element, like the color of a button or the headline, and split the traffic to see which version performs better. This is non-negotiable for improving ROI on your ad spend. Second, they include pop-ups and lightboxes. You can easily design and deploy exit intent pop-ups or timed sign-up forms directly from the builder without touching a single line of code or integrating a third-party tool. Finally, the integrations are top tier. They connect seamlessly with all the CRMs, email marketing tools, and analytics platforms you already use, including HubSpot, MailChimp, and Google Analytics. Who is it for? My honest take. So, who should actually use Landingi? PPC managers and agencies. If you run Google or Facebook ads, you need Landingi. The ability to launch high-converting pages quickly and run controlled A/B tests is worth the price alone. Small businesses with specific goals. If you're only launching 1 or 2 campaigns a year, for example, a holiday sale or a new product launch, the focus and speed will pay off immediately. Now, for the honest talk, the pricing. Landingi is a paid tool. They offer a free trial, but you will need a subscription to fully utilize its power. If you're only looking for a basic, zero-cost website portfolio, stick with a free builder. But if you're looking to generate serious revenue and leads, their tiered pricing is competitive for the conversion power you unlock. Landingi is not just a page builder, it's a conversion optimization tool. If your success is measured by the number of leads you capture or sales you make, this platform is a must-have. Here's my honest breakdown. Use Landingi if you run paid advertising and need high-speed A/B testing. Don't use Landingi if you only need a simple, static website and have no marketing goals. To check out the platform and access their best available offer, I've dropped my recommended affiliate link for Landingi right in the description below. If you found this honest breakdown helpful and you want to support me, using that link is the best way to do it. Which landing page feature do you think is the most important for conversion? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Tech Biz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Go boost those conversions.